Hi guys, I'm at today this video. Let me show you the M2 Air. Now you can see this is the MacBook Air M2 chip and 2022, and you can see the RAM is 16 gigabyte and the 13-inch, and the storage is 2 terabyte. Also, you can see this is battery information. The battery capacity is 93% and cycle count of 149. And you can see this is a starlight color, a beautiful color you can see. And also the keyboard a little bit dirty, you can see here the scratch here. Okay, let me show you the logo surface. Okay, there's a little scratches here, the logo you can see. And here's a scratch, a long scratch. Okay, this is a 2022 16-inch 2 terabyte the storage. Okay, you can see no scratch, only here and here a little bit. Okay, here's a little bit dirty. And let me show you the ports. You can see the ports. Okay, the port no problem. You can see the corner, no problem, no scratch, no bumps. To this edge, no problem. Okay, here's a little dent here. To this edge, no problem. No problem. You can see the back. Okay, the back, no problem. The back, no problem. There's a beautiful machine. Only here, only here, a little dent and the scratch here. Okay, let me show you the 30-inch display. Okay, let me change the wallpaper, the gray color. Okay, now you can see no problem. This screen, no problem. No problem, the screen. This price is about 5,700 CNY. Okay, if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay. See you in the next video.